Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can create a app using ChatGPT. So let's get started. You have to open browser on your laptop and search for ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT and go for login, or you can try free version also guys. Login with your Google account. It's logging in, and you have to ask for yes guys, we have to ask for I want to create a tic-tac-toe game to generate the mobile responsive code for HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It is writing the code for HTML right now, guys, and it is also writing CSS code and as well as JavaScript code. And guys, I will also tell you how to download this app into your mobile also, guys, through APK. So wait tune until the end, guys. Okay, now open CodePen. In this CodePen, we have to check whether the code is right or not. Now copy the HTML code from ChatGPT and paste it on CodePen. I have copied and I am pasting right here. Now open again ChatGPT and copy CSS code and paste it again in CodePen. And now do same process for JavaScript also, guys. Copy, paste. Yes guys, to check this, drag from bottom, guys, to check whether the code have written properly or not. Drag the screen upwards, then we will get the preview of the game. Yes, it's working properly, but we have to add a background and a new game button and some changes we have to do, guys. So let's go to ChatGPT again and write. We have to search for add a linear gradient color in the background, show the player win and draw in the new screen, and add a button for new game. That is the changes we have to do for our game, guys. We are doing now and the code is writing there. Again we have to do the same process, guys. Copy, paste. Okay, let's do that. It's doing. Now it's writing the CSS code, I think. No, it has completed, guys, full. It has written HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code also, guys. Okay, let's copy it and remove this first code and replace it with second code. I am copying it and pasting right here. And now I am selecting this CSS code and pasting it. And now JavaScript code. I am removing the last one and replacing it with new one. Okay, We can see that we have got a gray color background, which is good. And now we have to save these files into our laptop, guys. So let's open the notepad and copy HTML code from notepad from notepen. I'm copying it, and now I'm pasting it, and we have to save this file as index.html, guys. In this manner, the HTML code will be saved into our computer, guys, or otherwise it won't save into our computer. Okay, and we have to make a new folder for this and name it as Tic-Tac-Toe, which is name of our game. Now we are doing, and click on save. It will be automatically save. Now do the same process for CSS. Copy the code, copy, now paste, and we have to save it as style.css, guys. By this way, CSS code will be saved into our computer desktop and tic-tac-toe file. Now do the same process as for JavaScript also, guys. This is this will be saved as script.js. Choose the file and click on save. Now let's close these all windows and open your browser. Now we can see the game is running perfectly fine, and now we can see the changes for our game. The gray color background, which is good. Now we had a button for new game also. Now let's go close it and open new tab. And now we have to search for tiny host. We have to copy the link and paste it. I will provide these all links in the description of this video, guys, so you can please check it out. We have to save our file as a zip file. So right click on mouse and compress to zip file. Name it as a tic-tac-toe and drop your file. You have to compulsory login with your Google account, guys, or you can also log in with your Microsoft account. It's as you wish. Continue to your account. Continue. It is doing, guys, and now you can see our game is on live. So you have to click visit site. We can see right here, guys, our game is working perfectly fine. Okay, and now, guys, I will show you how to turn web app into Android app. So go to online app maker, web into app. I will provide this link in the description of this video, guys. You can check it out. So copy the game URL and paste it into web into app. here. Okay, simulator guys, you can download it in your TV, laptop, computer, wherever you want guys. Okay, have to type a name for your game. Tic-Tac-Toe. I'm typing Tic-Tac-Toe. You should not press any of these guys. Choose next. Yes guys, for the icon you have to choose a flat icon website guys. It is very useful for your icon. I am typing tic-tac-toe. It is showing number of results. Which one you wanted, you can download it guys. And set icon, you have to download it and paste right there. Or choose your icon which you are downloaded. Open. Have choose red color one. And now we have to click on make app. And now we have to type our name guys, email address, and we have to make our new password. I am typing the password guys. It should be very strong guys. Okay, and confirm your password again. Retype it again guys. And now make an app. Click on make app. It is making. It is turning our web file into an APK. As guys, we have seen that Tic-Tac-Toe V 1.0. Click on free download. Download free guys. It is very free. It is downloading right there. Yes guys, now you can see it is downloaded. Yes, yes guys. Go to downloads and choose file and right click on your mouse and extract all and choose extract guys. Now the files are extracting. It will take some time. Just 10 seconds guys. And we can see the Android folder and we can see app APK. And now open your browser again and search for Google Drive and top you can see the new upload and you have to choose your APK guys. So yes guys, you can see the file has been uploaded. Now I'll check in my phone and whether the app is working properly or not. I will check guys. Okay. So yes guys, I'm opening Drive in my phone and installing the app I have created. Now you can see I'm installing Tic-Tac-Toe. You can see heading and logo of my app. Open. It is scanning for viruses. It is safe for download and it is loading guys. And the app is working perfectly fine. You can see right here. everything is perfectly fine. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.